Okay, everyone, as you can see, my hair is already parted in four. Yes, I've already detangled my hair, and no, I have not cleaned it. I haven't done anything to it. So I'm just showing you right here how dirty my hair is. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but yeah, it's time to go ahead and get that cleaned. And that's what I will be doing right here. And then this is just my mixture of my apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV rinse. And I am using the Bragg's Raw Unfiltered with the Mother brand, because the raw unfiltered kind is the best kind to use, whether it's for your hair or you are intaking it. So basically what I will be doing the whole time is spraying this mixture onto my scalp and rubbing it onto my scalp, and which is kind of giving my scalp a massage, which we all know is great for the hair, as I have spoke about in some of my previous videos. And this would just help to ensure that my scalp is getting clean. And then you will see how I spray the mixture going down the strands of my hair, so I can get not only my scalp but my hair clean too. And for those that do not like to really use shampoo too much, this is a great alternative to use to shampoo, because when you use the ACV rinse, you can actually just use this and then go on to condition your hair. So this mixture in the bottle is just water and apple cider vinegar, because when you make this mixture, you must dilute it, whether you're putting it on your hair or you're taking it in, because you can also take this in and detox your body. So if you suffer from itchiness, dryness of your hair and scalp, or dandruff and breakage, this detox is very good for that. This will help turn your hair all the way around. So I do recommend to do this if you suffer from any of those things. As you can see, I've been closing one eye or both eyes, because this can get real messy and get into your eyes. And yes, it does burn, because it sure did get into my eyes. And I just have on this plain black big t-shirt, because I know how messy it can get because of the water, so it just drips a lot. So you do want to be careful with that. And I'm just putting a plastic bag on my hair, and yes, I'm using a bag. It's okay to use one instead of a shower cap. And I just let this sit for 30 minutes before I washed it out, and you guys can let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes. It's up to you if you want to let it sit for like 35 minutes. Do not use heat while letting this sit in your hair. And right here, I'm just rinsing my hair out, of course, and when you rinse it out, the smell is not as strong, because I'm not going to lie to you, it does stink. But once I washed my hair with conditioner, that just took the smell completely out my hair. So when you rinse it out, you may still smell it a little bit. It may be like a mild smell. But once you use conditioner, the smell will leave completely. You do not have to worry about the smell sticking or staying in your hair at all. This mixture does rinse out your hair very easily, and I'm pretty sure that has something to do with the fact that this mixture is part water. But this is all that I have for you all today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and go ahead and like, share, and comment under this video. And I will see you all in my next video.